Good day viewers, let's discuss how to start a successful small business and financial considerations today. Starting a successful small business requires careful financial planning and management. Here are some key financial considerations to help you launch and grow your venture. 1. Create a detailed business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business concept, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, sales forecast, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan serves as a roadmap for your business and helps attract investors and lenders. 2. Estimate startup costs. Identify and estimate the initial costs required to launch your business, including equipment, inventory, supplies, licensing and permits, marketing expenses, website development, and legal fees. Be realistic in your cost estimates and budget for unforeseen expenses. 3. Secure adequate funding. Determine how much funding you need to start and sustain your business until it becomes profitable. Explore various funding options, such as personal savings, loans from family and friends, business loans, lines of credit, venture capital, crowdfunding, or grants. 4. Separate personal and business finances. Open a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This helps you track business expenses, simplify accounting, and protect your personal assets in case of legal liability or business debts. 5. Manage cash flow effectively. Develop a cash flow forecast to monitor the inflow and outflow of cash in your business. Anticipate periods of high expenses or low revenue and plan accordingly to ensure you have enough cash on hand to cover operating costs, pay bills, and meet financial obligations. Implement strategies to improve cash flow, such as offering discounts for early payments, invoicing promptly, negotiating favorable payment terms with suppliers, and managing inventory efficiently. 6. Set pricing strategies. Determine the pricing strategy for your products or services that allows you to cover costs, generate profit, and remain competitive in the market. Consider factors such as production costs, competitor pricing, perceived value, and customer demand when setting prices. Regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy based on changes in market conditions, costs, and customer preferences. 7. Monitor and control expenses. Keep a close eye on business expenses and look for opportunities to reduce costs without sacrificing quality or service. Identify unnecessary expenses, negotiate lower rates with suppliers, and explore cost-saving measures such as outsourcing non-core functions or leasing equipment instead of buying. 8. Build and maintain good credit. Establish and maintain good business credit by paying bills on time, managing debt responsibly, and keeping debt-to-income ratios in check. A strong credit profile improves your ability to access financing, negotiate favorable terms with suppliers, and grow your business. 9. Invest in marketing and sales. Allocate resources to marketing and sales efforts to promote your products or services, attract customers, and generate revenue. Develop a marketing plan that includes online and offline marketing tactics, social media promotion, networking, and customer relationship management. 10. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors, accountants, attorneys, and business mentors to seek guidance and expertise in financial matters related to starting and running a small business. Professionals can provide valuable advice, help you navigate complex financial issues, and avoid costly mistakes. By carefully considering these financial factors and implementing sound financial management practices, you can increase the likelihood of starting and growing a successful small business.